Hi, this is Michael, your financial well-being coach, coming to you once again, giving you some financial topics to help you reach that level of financial dignity in which you were called. Today, I just want to recap on some things that I spoke about last time when it comes to men and pride and money. So I continually meet with several clients, whether they come through our free workshops or they come sit down one through my investment partners, and we get a lot to the topic of when it comes to men and money and that pride. We talk about men humbling themselves down to say, hey, I need some help, let me get some knowledge, because we don't know everything. But it's a real man is able to say, hey, let's get some help from my household so we can make those financial goals. One thing that I recently spoke with actually a couple of clients about, and wives who are frustrated with their husband in the household, and the men that have this mindset of your money, my money type of thing, when it's never supposed to be your money, my money, it's always our money, and the two shall become one. One thing I noticed about men is the past, paying the past, and they had previous relationship where the woman did him wrong. And he's like, well, I ain't gonna trust nobody. I'm just gonna have my money, I'm gonna give her just enough to pay the bills. That's not the right mindset. Back when I used to teach, when I taught one class and the next class was coming in, I completely erased the board from the previous class. No matter what the previous class did, the new class is not gonna suffer for the lack of knowledge the previous class did.
It's metaphorical!
So basically, I have to erase the board. Men, we got to erase the board from past relationships. We got to put all that in the past and ask for healing for that. We should not let this woman suffer for what happened to us in the past. All right. So the pain in the past, we got to put that to the side in order for our households to be healthy and prosperous. Another thing I want to speak about is sharing the vision that you have, man. If you have a vision for your household, share it with the woman, because she is created as a nurturer. She's created as a multiplier. You give her something, she'll multiply it and great over. Even biologically, men, we place a seed in the woman. She's able to multiply that seed many times over, and she gives us a child in return. Just like in the natural, in the financial, we have a vision. We give her that vision. Men, we give her a word, she'll turn into a sentence. We give her a sentence, she'll turn into a paragraph. We give her a paragraph, she'll turn into a book. That's how she's created. She is a helpmeet. She's created to help us. She's the rib. She's supposed to be at your side, not under your feet so you can walk on her, not from your backbone where she walks behind you, not even from your head where she rules over you. She's from your rib. She protects you. She protects the vitalness of it to help you live, to help you move on.
I am your wife. I'm the greatest good you are ever gonna get.
But we have to share the vision, because if you don't have a vision, and if you do have a vision, you need to share it. But if you don't have one, she'll get frustrated because she has nothing to multiply now. But then you're going to get frustrated because you finally get a vision and you don't share it with her. Now you have a vision and she has a vision. Now you have two vision. And the word two is also translated die. So you have division, which equals divorce. So I don't want you to get to that point where you are trapped in your own mind and in your own pride. All right, share your vision with your woman and watch her help you make it come to pass. Okay, let's start over, brother. So make the slate clean so we could be a blessing to our households and be the real men in which we were called to be. Pride goeth before destruction, and a haughty spirit before a fall. Before we fall on our face, brothers, let's humble ourselves and get some help financially. We don't know it all. My people perish for lack of knowledge, for have rejected my knowledge. We need for you to step up. Let's start this thing right. Let's do it. And we're going to make sure that you win at money. All right. I'll see you in the near future. God bless.